Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a house hunting video. So we went house hunting for a bunch of houses this weekend. We're trying to find a house to actually purchase, and we're super excited. It's gonna be our first home, and yeah, so I took you guys along. I showed you guys all the houses, like the inside, the outside, and yeah. So I also did some cooking in this video. We vlogged, you know, it was like a couple days together. It was like 2 or 3 days, and I think there was like 3 or 4 houses. I don't even remember. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We just arrived at the first house. This is the house. One of the rooms. Oh my god, a huge turtle. I don't know what you call it. It is currently the next day. Oh,
Hurricane Ismael is coming. No, what is it?
Isaias? Something like that. I don't even know what the name is. So there's like a hurricane or something like that, tropical storm, something. You know, typical Florida. Supposed to enter between today or tomorrow, something like that. So yeah, we have to get ready, like the backyard and stuff, just in case, you know, things are flying around. I'm trying to avoid that. And right now we're gonna switch out Alejandra's car seat because we're gonna be house hunting today. Her new car seat, and this is her old car seat. They're gonna save that one.
It's a mess because she fucking...
Oh yeah, we gotta clean it. I mean, that was her right now with her Chick-fil-A and her cereals. This is the new one. We're gonna clean this one and seal it away for our next bebés. ¿Tú quieres tener un hermano o una hermanita?
I'm speaking Spanish.
Yeah. She said no. ¿Tú quieres tener un hermano o una hermana? ¿Sí o no? She said no. Currently putting the car seat. Alejandra, are you helping?
Nope.
You need help, baby?
Nope.
We just got to the first house. We're waiting for Alejandra's stepmom to get here. She's a realtor, like I mentioned before. Let me show you guys Alejandra's car seat. Hi! Do you like your car seat? She loves it. It's super like roomy. She still has the mirror. Yeah. This is the house. It's very nice, like outside. It has all these trees. The neighborhood looks pretty good. Yeah, like it has double garage. I'm not gonna show you guys the address just in case, but it has double garage, like the pathway to the door and stuff. Pretty outside and stuff. Come with us for the first time because it's empty, so you know, nothing wrong for the COVID. Walk in. This is the living room. That's the garage door. I'm guessing we gotta if we get this house, we have to change all the floors. Would be the first thing. When you walk in, this is the first room. It's not small at all. It's pretty very good. This little space over here. No, aquí hay otro espacio. El comedor está acá. The kitchen. And then this is the living room. So then this is a space. That was the kitchen. And then you come over here. And there's 2 rooms. Mira qué contenta. And then a big bathroom, very big bathroom. Door, which is the dining room, and then there's like this space in here, which we could take off this screen and it'll be way bigger. Alejandra! Side has this here. It has all this space here. Ven, Ale! Then it has a pool, which is like an L. Has a space here. And then it has a little like yard here. Una L. Over here, and it has like a whole area over here, which is really good. He's there. In the car, it started raining. We just got here, and then Alejandro had to go get the umbrella. Here it comes. Woo woo! Dad of the year! This is the first house. Living room. Dining room. Ale, ¿qué te pasa? The kitchen. Another dining room. And then it has a little living room over here. The garage is right there. Like one of the rooms. Closet over here. Another room. They're good. Bathroom. This is the master. It's really nice. Está bonita. Has a walk-in closet. Then it has the backyard. Let's go through here. Oh. And then the backyard. It has a little thing there. The whole backyard over here. It has this place. We're on to house numero dos. This is the room. The kitchen. Está bueno, está remodelado. And then it has another dining room. And then this is the family room. The pool. Yeah. Sí. This is the other side. This is the other room.
Mira un baño por si cuando utilizan la piscina, esa de la puerta que da al baño.
And the other bathroom.
Que no tienen que entrar a la casa.
The bathroom, and then that's the door that goes out to the pool. We are back home from seeing the houses, and we haven't found anything yet that we're like, okay, we're gonna offer on this house. So as you guys saw, the houses were good, but there's some things that we just don't like about the house. You know, so it takes a lot to buy a house, so you know, we want to really find the one. So yeah, here we have Alejandra and Shanae playing, and my mom was calling me, so hold up. So we got home and I put the rice to do. I got beans and the meat is cooked. So yeah, that's what we're gonna eat today. Just chilling. And then tomorrow we have to go do groceries, and Thursday we're gonna see more houses. So yeah, we'll take you guys along through everything. I don't know how to discipline her to not get in the couch. And then look at the mess she has made here. This is from a little toy set that she got. It's like a vanity. Between her and Shanae, they're gonna drive me crazy. That's Alejandra's little vanity, which is everything that you see around the floor. Shanae! Me? Look how cute she is. Aww. The cutest. And she loves Alejandra. And Alejandra loves her. Yay! Ale, say hi. Dile hi. Ale, say hi. You want to say hi? She's too busy playing with her bottle. She has a million toys, but she chooses the bottle. Wow! It's the next day. I'm in the kitchen, which means it's time to cook. So you guys love when I do these cooking videos, and today I'm testing out a new recipe. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'll let you guys know. So we're gonna be making like a chicken pasta, and I kind of want to do something different because we always do like pasta with like ground beef. So I kind of want to switch it up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna take you guys along. Hopefully you guys like it, and if it turned out good, you should definitely try it out. And let me know in your Instagram, like tag me on your stories or mention it here in your comment section and stuff like that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is put the pasta to cook. So that's what I'm doing. I just put it in, so it should be ready in like 10 minutes. Went ahead, cut up some chicken breast, and then I seasoned it with complete seasoning and some pepper. Pasta is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and drain this and get the chicken to cook. Alright, chicken is cooking. Added some oil, and now we're picking it up. Alright, while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and chop up some onions and garlic. Almost done. Once the chicken is done, take it out, set it aside, and add in your garlic with your onions, and let's go ahead and stir this up a little bit. Okay, so it's been about a minute since this is in here. We're gonna go ahead and add some flour, very light. Just thicken the sauce after. Once that's in, make sure you go ahead and mix it up. Add some water. Add some sauce. I'm using this one, organic tomato, herbs and spices. Mix that up. Boiling, you're gonna go ahead and lower the heat. Simmer for 5-7 minutes. It's ready. We're gonna go ahead and mix with the pasta and the chicken. It's mixed in. Mix it in. Make sure you go ahead and try it. Maybe you want to add more salt, more pepper, whatever it is. Make sure you try it. I added a little bit of salt, and now it's time to go ahead and add your cheese. And I realized that I don't have my cheese in slices. I only have it in sticks. So I'm gonna go ahead and shred it real quick and add it to it. Once that's all mixed in, cover it up. Put it on low for 5 minutes, and that's it. It's ready to go. So I really liked it. I obviously tried it already, and it tasted really good. It's something different, so I'm super excited to see what Alejandro thinks, what Alejandra thinks. And talking about Alejandra, she just woke up. Well, she never slept. She was in her crib just like laying down, but she never went to sleep. Yeah. Say hi. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Dame un beso en la boca. Wow. She gives a kiss in the mouth, but with her mouth open. Un beso en la boca. Un beso en la boca. She said, no, Mom, that's enough. Oh. Un beso en la boca. Wow. She goes away with her lips closed. Living her best life. Nice, Shanae. In the last vlog, a lot of you guys were asking where's Spiky, and we still have Spiky. I just put him outside a little bit and bring him in and out because since the new dog is here, he doesn't really like other dogs. We've tried. He's not friendly with them, so he like attacks her. So we're trying to like get them to like each other first, and then you know we could put them together. But yeah, he's in and out of the house. Come in. There he is. Spiky. Spiky. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.